Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today with hashtag 2 Crafters 1 Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and Uzi Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. We also enter our cards into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. This week's theme for hashtag 2 Crafters 1 Design was to make a ball project or anything using a ball. I'm just going to jump right in and show you what I use to bring my cards together. However, I won't be able to show you the dice because I use the silhouette for my 3 items with the ball. These little enamel stars from Jelly Bean Soup from Cards TV Stamps. I'm using That's My Boy, and I'm using a couple stamps from there. I want to say Having a Ball, and there was one more, All-Star Kid. And then also from Cards TV Stamps, I am using Way to Go. This one's from This and That. Cuttlebug and Embossing Folder, I am using Polka Dots. And then from my creative time, I am using this die right here. That is from the Stay Beautiful dies, just that die right there. And if you'd like to use my code for my creative time, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase. All right, I am going to show you the card that I inspired myself by. This is a card that I created several years ago when I designed for Pretty Paper, Pretty Ribbon, which was an SVG company. And so I'm going to show you that card right about now. And here goes my recreation of the card. This one's much smaller than what I actually created the first time. I think that was my 5x5 card, but I thought I would add on All-Star Kid and a couple stars. And I really liked how this card turned out. I was so happy with it turning out. Forgot how much fun it was to play with the silhouette that I created 2 more. So I also created this football card. Has Way to Go on there, and I love how it turned out. Touchdown. And then there goes the inside. I made them shape cards, and I have one more to show you, which is the baseball card, and it's Having a Ball, and I have Home Run at the bottom, which is in the blue and the black, and I used those same stars on there. Just super cute. I had so much fun making these. I would have made a soccer ball, or a soccer ball, but I lost all of my files on the silhouette. So upsetting. And I had a couple thousand files, and I lost them all down to 160 some files, so that kind of made me upset. But this is what I was able to create with what I had. If you have the time to enter into our collabs, make sure you do that. Use hashtag 2Crafters1Design, which we have a theme every week. And then also enter your projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. We also have next week, which the theme will be bows. All right, so that's all I have for you, everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.